Hello friends, my name is Mani and I wanted to go to Clausthal today. So in the morning I was there in Bremen. I have never expected the snowfall here and could be so cold. So we are here during winters because we always feel that the winters are harsh as compared to summers, and whenever you wanted to come to Clausthal, you have to, generally the people come through Frankfurt, so you have to take up a bus or a train from Frankfurt to Hanover. From Hanover you have to change. There is a city station here, Gloucester, and from there you have to go to Clausthal. So for the Clausthal, the bus is generally for 1 hour, after an hour or maybe after half an hour. So it's Saturday today and it's really cold. I've been wearing 4 layers, and then it's not so windy but it's beautiful. And apart from this, I wanted to say to all the people who, especially the vegetarians, because I personally am also a vegetarian, and it's when you don't eat all those stuffs, it's get cold sometime. So whenever you plan to come to Clausthal, make sure it's more colder as compared to Bremen, what I have realized, as compared to Berlin and Frankfurt. And whenever there's a snowfall, make sure these kind of sketchers generally do not work. You have to take up a boot, and you should have those type of gloves. So these gloves consist that, it has silicone, so you can use your mobile phone. The normal gloves, generally for me it was a problem. Though your jacket has the cap, but still you should have a cap and a scarf to cover this. So the scarf is there in my luggage here. I generally prefer the soft scarves, so make sure you wear the soft scarves. And it's a very famous university, Clausthal, because it provides a conditional letter for English taught program, for German taught program, and a lot of students of ours are also there. And if you have any question related to admissions, related to visa for Germany, for Ausbildung for doctors and nurses, we would be very happy to help you out. Stay connected, stay tuned.